Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've created this look in collaboration with COVERGIRL. I'm so excited to be doing this because there's some massive news in the COVERGIRL community. They are now Leaping Bunny certified. Yay! I'm so excited because COVERGIRL have worked with Cruelty Free International to make their brand Leaping Bunny certified. They are the most affordable brand to do it. They are the biggest brand to do it. This is a massive, huge announcement, and it totally fits in with me because, as you know, well, as you might know, I'm vegan, so I'm so excited. It's really cool news. So if you want to know how to get this lovely blue cut crease, orange, contrasting colours kind of look, then keep on watching. First, I'm applying the COVERGIRL Lid Lock Up Primer, as I always do. I love this primer and I've already applied my foundation, so we're just getting straight on with the eyes today. This is the part of the tutorial where I'll whack out my eye palette, and today it's a new one. It's called the True Naked Dazed palette, and I'm using an electric blue colour. It's so pigmented. I think this is my favourite palette yet. I'm just putting it on with a pencil brush right in my crease. And that's with that extra intense colour, that electric blue. Now we just want to soften out those edges, so I'll put a bit more blue on a fluffy brush and I'm blending away. With my finger now, I'm just dabbing on a yellow colour named Hype on my inner corner. Next, with my finger again, I'm passing on a bright orange colour on my lid named Viral. I really think this makes the eye look pop. I just cannot get over this amazing news though, guys. No COVERGIRL products or ingredients are tested on animals. It's just, when they told me, I was like jumping up and down for joy. I'm so happy. And this eye look is a celebration of that. I'm using Vital now, a royal blue, which is a bit darker, on my outer corner, tapping it in with my finger and then going along after that over the top with my pencil brush, just to make sure it's all blended out nice and softly on my outer V. Getting that Peacock Flare mascara on, and then me and Alice were getting so excited about this Exhibitionist lip kit that I forgot to do my blusher and bronzer until the end and my highlight. So yeah. Basically, I started to use the In the Nude lip liner. Loved it, by the way. And usually I just put my fingers on the corners of my lips and just press them backwards, and it shows a blind girl sort of where the edges of my lips are, and that's how I lined my lips today. And then I used the lipstick Caramel Kiss. So beautiful, so creamy. I loved it so much. I've got really chapped lips recently because it's winter and I'm hating it, but this lipstick really hydrated me. So yeah, overall 10 out of 10 for the lip kit. Got really excited, really overwhelmed, loving it. Now I'm using the COVERGIRL True Blend Serving Sculpt palette, and I'm just putting the blusher on the apples of my cheeks with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going in with the bronzer from the same palette, and then the highlight on the high points of my face, as I always love to do, as you guys know. And I do actually think this highlight is really up there with one of my favourite products from COVERGIRL, guys. This is why I've added it to this look, because it's really blinding, if you'll pardon the pun. But yeah, really love it. Now, the final element of my tutorial today, the brows. And I'm using the Easy Breezy Brow Sculpt, which is a pomade. I've used this one other time, I think, in a tutorial, and I moved on to this because I completely used up the Easy Breezy Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in, I think it was Soft Blonde, and I used that up in like 2 months after I received it, and I was like, no, it's gone. So that was my fave. But this comes a close second. It's a lot more bold, so I used a little bit on the brush this time, but I think it worked out really well. Thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look. And don't forget, if you want to know more about COVERGIRL's Leaping Bunny certification, go to covergirl.com/cruelty-free. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you again for another video.